Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best dash cams with rear cameras and parking modes this year. Whether you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just someone who values peace of mind on the road, these dash cams are designed to protect you with advanced features like crystal clear video quality, wide-angle coverage, and smart parking modes. We'll break down each model's key features, pros, and limitations so you can find the perfect fit for your vehicle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5 is the Blackview DR970X 2CH Plus dash cam. Blackview is one of the most premium names in dash cam technology, often preferred by enthusiasts who demand high-resolution footage and reliability. This dual-channel dash cam is perfect for users who want to capture both the front and rear of their car in outstanding clarity. It features 4K Ultra HD recording in the front camera and Full HD in the rear, along with cloud connectivity, Wi-Fi, and GPS tracking. Its slim and elegant design ensures it blends neatly into your windshield. Many users praise its crisp video quality, advanced parking surveillance, and remote access via smartphone, though the high price and need for subscription-based cloud storage may be drawbacks. Still, if you want a feature-rich, professional-grade dash cam, the Blackview DR970X 2CH Plus is an excellent choice. Next up at number 4 is the Viofo A229 Plus 3-channel dash cam, perfect for those who want complete 3-way coverage. Viofo has built a reputation for balancing performance and affordability without compromising on quality. This model includes 2K QHD front and rear cameras and a Full HD interior camera, giving rideshare drivers and families full protection from every angle. With Sony Starvis sensors, night vision is sharp and reliable, while built-in GPS, parking mode, and voice notifications make the experience seamless. Users love the value for money, detailed video, and wide coverage, though its installation may be more complex than simpler 2-channel systems. If you want full vehicle protection at a mid-range price, the Viofo A229 Plus is a strong contender. Coming in at number 3 is the Cobra Smart Dash Cam, a brand well known for its driver assistance technology and connected devices. This dash cam is particularly appealing to those who want a connected driving experience with smart features. It offers 2K front recording with an optional rear camera, plus Wi-Fi, cloud storage, and app integration for easy access to recordings. One standout feature is the Cobra Driver Community Alerts, which provide real-time road hazard notifications. Pros include its easy-to-use app, smart features, and reliable parking mode, but some users note the rear camera resolution isn't as sharp as premium models. Overall, it's a fantastic option for tech-savvy drivers who want both protection and connectivity on the road. At number 2, we have the Maya 5 Car GPS Dash Cam, designed for drivers who want top-tier video quality with sleek, modern design. Maya 5 has gained popularity for packing premium specs into compact devices. This dash cam features 4K Ultra HD recording, advanced night vision with AI enhancements, GPS tracking, and a smart parking surveillance system. Its minimalist design ensures it doesn't obstruct your view, while the supercapacitor power system makes it more durable in extreme weather compared to traditional battery-based dash cams. Users appreciate the stunning 4K clarity, reliable app, and premium build quality, though it lacks a rear camera by default unless purchased separately. Best suited for drivers who want cutting-edge front camera performance with reliable GPS tracking. Finally, at number 1 is the Nextbase 522GW dash cam, widely regarded as one of the best dash cams available today. Known for its innovative features and reliability, Nextbase is a leader in the dash cam industry. The 522 gigawatts includes 1440p Quad HD recording with HDR, an optional rear camera, GPS tracking, and a built-in emergency SOS feature that can alert authorities in case of an accident. It also offers Alexa voice control integration, making it incredibly convenient for hands-free operation. Its sleek design and magnetic mount ensure easy installation and removal. Users love its superb video quality, intelligent safety features, and user-friendly app, though its price point may be on the higher side. If you want the ultimate balance of safety, smart tech, and performance, the Nextbase 522 gigawatts is the top choice. Overall, it's a fantastic option for tech-savvy drivers who want both protection and connectivity on the road. And that wraps up our top 5 best dash cams with rear cameras and parking modes for this year. From the premium Blackview DR970X at number 5, to the value-packed Viofo A229 Plus, the smart Cobra dash cam, the ultra-crisp Maya 5, and the feature-rich Nextbase 522 gigawatts, there's a dash cam here for every type of driver. Which one would you choose to protect your car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. And check the description for the latest deals and discounts so you can grab the perfect dash cam today. Thanks for watching and drive safe.